Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Capcut and importing your clip directly to the timeline. Don't waste time on menus. Make sure your source is high frame rate, 60 or 120 frames per second, because slow playback needs extra frames. Once done, set the project frame rate to match the source to avoid judder. Project settings frame rate. Then split or trim the segment you want to slow so you only process the portion that needs smoothing. You next control speed. Select the clip, open speed, and pick curve or custom speed. For steady slow motion, set a constant percent like 50% or 25% in custom speed. For cinematic ramps, use curve and ease the points. Then enable optical flow or any frame interpolation option to generate intermediate frames. This reduces jerkiness. Make sure the timeline playback and preview quality. You finalize by trimming transitions and adding stabilization when footage is shaky. Apply warp stabilizer and let it analyze. Once done, render a short preview segment to check for artifacts from interpolation. If you spot stuttering or ghosting, switch interpolation modes or slightly reduce the slow percentage. Sometimes 40% is smoother than 25%. Finally, export using the original frame rate and a high bitrate. This preserves the generated frames. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.